In this lecture, we're exploring one of the most important applications of these skills, and that is parenting. As parents, our words shape our children's inner worlds, their self-concept, and their relationship with learning and growth. In this lecture, you're going to learn how to use hypnotic language patterns to guide your children with love, install positive beliefs, and create cooperation without power struggles. We'll cover 3 key areas: building cooperation, installing confidence, and creating positive behavior change. Instead of direct commands that create resistance, offer choices that lead to the outcome you want. A traditional approach might be to say, clean your room. The hypnotic approach would be to say, would you like to make your room awesome by cleaning your desk first, or would you like to make your bed? Both choices lead to room cleaning, but the child feels empowered to choose. With toddlers, you might say, do you want to brush your teeth like a dinosaur or like a superhero? With school-aged children, you might say, when you do your homework, would you like to tackle the easy stuff first and build momentum, or would you like to start with the difficult stuff and get it out of the way? With teenagers, you might say, as you're thinking about curfew, would 11 p.m. work to help you feel trusted, or would 10:30 be better to help you feel trusted and responsible, and then build up from there? Help children connect present actions to future benefits. When you practice piano now, you're actually giving a gift to your future self. Someday, when you can play that song that makes your heart happy, you'll be so grateful that you took this time to practice today. Instead of saying, good job, you might try, I noticed how you figured that out all by yourself. You can feel proud of how your brain worked through that challenge. You're becoming someone who doesn't give up easily. Help children develop positive self-identity. You know what I've been noticing about you? You're becoming the kind of person who cares about others. Like yesterday when you helped your sister. I can see that kindness is just part of who you are. And as you grow into that person more and more, you'll probably discover even more ways to show that caring nature. Every time you make a simple mistake, your brain gets stronger. It's like your neurons saying, oh, interesting information. And as you learn from this, you're becoming wiser than you were just a few moments ago. At bedtime, you might say, as you're getting in bed tonight, you can remember all the ways you were brave today. And as you drift off to sleep, your mind can think of all the amazing things you'll find out about yourself tomorrow. Because every day you're growing stronger, getting smarter, and becoming more of who you're meant to be. Instead of saying, stop being mean to your brother, say, I can see you want your brother to understand something important. What's the kind way to help him learn what you're trying to teach him? This presupposes they have good intentions and guides them towards better implementation. When you find yourself feeling frustrated with your homework, then you can take 3 deep breaths and think, my brain is learning something new, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do. With young children, you might say, your toys are waiting for you to put them back in their special homes, where they'll be safe and happy until tomorrow. With school-aged children, as you're getting ready for school, you can think about all the exciting things you'll notice today. And as you walk into your classroom, you can feel confident because you're prepared and ready to learn. With teenagers, as you're thinking about your weekend, you can consider which version of yourself you want to be proud of on Monday morning. And when you choose activities that align with who you're becoming, you'll feel that sense of integrity that comes from living your values. End each day with positive future pacing. Before you fall asleep tonight, you can think about one thing you're excited to learn or do tomorrow. And as you think about that, you can feel grateful for all the ways you're growing and look forward to discovering what tomorrow will teach you about yourself. Remember, your words are planting seeds in your child's unconscious mind. Every interaction is an opportunity to help them develop confidence, resilience, and a positive relationship with themselves and the world. Use these patterns with love, consistency, and care for your child's highest good. The goal isn't compliance, it's raising children who think well of themselves and make choices from their own inner wisdom.